my channel Recently Traveled. Today we are going to explore one of the biggest parks in Prague, which is the Ladronka Park. So let's go.
Oh, I'm slipping away, so don't let me go, nah, 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 nah. I'm all up in that love haze.
This is not the first time that I've come to this park. It's such a delight to my eyes to see all this lush greenery, the birds chirping and the clear skies right above my head.
Just let me know that I am safe here in your arms. I wanna stay, stay. I'm slipping away, so don't let me go now. Your love is exceptional. It fills me up. It's out of control, out of control. Oh baby, I love the rush. It overflows. It's out of control, out of control.
So cool to see people coming here for leisure walks, skating, cycling, or just simply spending time with their loved ones. There's also a beach volleyball court here and an open gym area where people come to exercise.
I still remember loving the danger. You set me on fire when I'm by your side. Taking me higher, I'll follow you down if you go down.
What makes Prague unique is its erratic weather. It was sunny a while ago, and can you believe I'm wearing a coat right now? Walked for over 2 hours now and have still not covered the entire park. A bit tired, and Akshay has ordered some beer for himself. It costed around 3 set piet, which is like 35 crowns. Finally found a place, and that's where we are going to chill for some time.
Plenty of things that mean nothing to me, but if there's one thing I know to be, oh, I know what you mean to me. I know what you mean to me.
This is a place where I was just sitting, and I've also found a really cool barbecue setup here. Almost filmed the entire park, and I hope I get back to editing this video very soon for you guys.
Oh, what you mean to me. You've got a story